God, it's a bit bright, isn't it? Oh, beautiful. Why have you always got fart when I come on camera?
It is quite nice, yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You know it's the last day when you're going home when you're eating ice cream at 8:45 in the morning.
Yeah.
Are you excited to be going home?
No.
I'm not excited to be in the car with your stinky ass.
You can't blame me. That's your cooking.
I'm halfway through packing.
That's still your cooking.
My cooking? You had chippy last night. We didn't have my cooking last night. We haven't had my cooking all week because I've been on strike.
That's very cool.
We've been having ping meals.
Yeah.
Typically beautiful day though, isn't it? Now we're leaving.
Yeah.
I don't think it's going to be a scorcher.
Oh well. Never mind.
Have we had a good time?
Yeah, it's been alright.
Good. We're already thinking about next year, aren't we? And what I bet. Well, yeah, we've booked for next year.
Yes.
We've been thinking about what kind of things we want to do. To start saving. Somehow.
Yeah. Oh, duck.
Oh, they're gone behind the trees. Well, sadly that is us all packed up. Ash has literally just taken the rubbish down to the bins. It looks so empty in here now without all our shit. Nellie was screaming a minute ago she thought we'd left her behind and she couldn't work out why all her stuff had gone. But she's making the most of the space, isn't you, Nellie? Say bye-bye, caravan. You're a poser. You're trying to roll, aren't you? You can do it. You can do it. We're going to go home. Yeah? We enjoyed your hollybobs.
Two hours to do 70 miles. Tell me have a nap. Yes, right. Come on. Yeah, I can't see. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah.
Ah.
'Hi.
Hi. You're home now, aren't we? Yeah, you're on the side now.
Still in the holiday spirit.
Still in the holiday spirit. All home now with second load of washing on.
Yeah.
You didn't even know that, did you?
And I'm working hard.
You're working harder in the photos that you took of our beautiful Spitfire fly past that we didn't know we were getting this afternoon.
It did just kind of come out of the blue, didn't it?
It did come out of the blue.
To see just how bad things have got.
Nellie is meant, but looks like she's having a little disco right now. And that's all that's happening. Whingy, ain't you, Nellie? Oh, and Daddy's going to go and get a kebab in a little bit because we had a little bit of holiday money still over. So we're going to treat ourselves. But then I'm still in holiday mode because I'm not cooking.
Touche. What?
That looks really nice.
I'm glad.
Is that one you were worried about?
No.
Oh,
No, these are the ones after he's gone away.
that looks really nice. I like that one.
Yeah, that's right. It's in there.
Is it BBMF?
Yeah.
This one, so I can get right down into the two crowns and use the.
You go sleep, Nelly.
No, this was the one that I was worried about.
She's just had a diagnosis of